Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I will help you how to fix Instagram. We restricted certain activity to protect our community. So guys, when you want to do comment or want to do like, share or anything on Instagram and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, simply you need to open your Instagram app, and guys after this you need to click on your main profile and click on three lines, and guys after this you need to click on settings and privacy, and guys after doing this you need to scroll it down, and guys you need to find here help. So guys here you can see help. So guys simply you need to click on it, and here is the option of report a problem. So guys you need to click on it, and after this you need to click on report a problem and click on include and continue, and guys after this here you need to write your appeal. So guys I am writing this appeal that I am facing the problem we restricted certain activity to protect our community. I have not do any post that goes against Instagram community guidelines. Please solve this issue as soon as possible, thank you. So guys here you need to write your username of your Instagram account, and guys here you need to write your email address for contact purpose, and guys after this here you need to upload your screenshot in which you have this type of problem, and guys after uploading your screenshot simply you need to click on send, and after sending within a day your problem will be fixed and you will be able to do anything on Instagram. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.